Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in an apartment building today. It's an empty unit, and the management cleaned the unit, and she said when she flushed the toilet, she's hearing gurgling. So we're gonna take a look at it. So you can see they have a retrofit shutoff valve right there. So let's see. Okay, I am hearing a slight gurgle, but I think it might be from here. No, it's not from in here. It does sound like it's coming from the bowl, maybe, or the bottom of the bowl. So, shut that off. Right. So you can see here, they didn't cut this down, and that's how I like it, because now I'll be able to make sure I can get it off no problem. Same thing on the other side. Perfect. So we're going to take our 1/2-inch wrench. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, so as of right now, being held back by the wall. You can see the wobble in it. I think that might be the reason we're hearing that noise. So basically, you're not getting a 100% seal on the tank or the bowl to floor. Pull this up. Okay, so it doesn't even look like we have a gasket on there. So I'm guessing that's why. I'm gonna put the toilet in the bathtub and flip it over to see if there's anything on the bottom. So you can see nothing was around there. So I'm going to say we need a new gasket for this. Okay, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I went down to the truck and got I only had a rubber gasket. I usually use the wax, but I put the rubber on there. So we're gonna put the toilet back on and see if we fix the problem. My fear is this is going to be way too high of a gasket, but this is the last one I had in my truck. Alright, I think it might have actually worked. Now, okay, so the good thing is I didn't hear no gurgling, so it must have just been the lack of gasket on the toilet. I'm actually surprised it wasn't leaking downstairs, but we also don't know how long this was empty for. So when they put this toilet in, it may have still been empty and no one used it. And then when the manager came up to investigate everything, she flushed the toilet and then heard the gurgling. So she called us in. Everything looks good other than the gasket. So this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Until next time, Trogno.